she's dictating the terms of the match now.
She is. This last 15 minutes, Anastasia's been very confident, controlled, aggression, sometimes playing the low percentage shot, but she's got herself in a good position here.
And what she's doing is eliminating the possibility of what's happened so far when she's been able to break Sloane Stephens. In both of those previous service games when she's broken her, she's been down a break point in the following game. And this would come as a welcome change to that, because now she's got 3 chances to get this to a third set. Now it's becoming a little tense.
14-13.
2 down, 1 to come. And that'll be good enough to do it. It's taken almost an hour and 3/4, but we're going to a decider. Pavlyuchenkova takes the second set, 6 games to 3.
Wow, that first line up there, first serve percentage at 82% for Anastasia Pavlyuchenkova. That certainly helped her when she was battling in a few of her service games. She was the one that managed to consolidate 2 breaks there in that second set. Sloane only managing the 1 break, but a lot more very neutral winners to unforced errors from Anastasia in that second set. Certainly a few more unforced errors, but you would expect that with the type of game that she's playing here in the second set. She really lifted her intensity. She lifted the quality of her ball. And once she started to make better shot selection, better choices when to move forward, like this one, she certainly was in control of that second set. And she, as we spoke about, is a great competitor.